on.
Wait, you gotta say it.
Okay, we are going to be doing the Challenge for Charity teabag challenge. It is where you have to keep tea inside of your mouth for 10 seconds or more, and we're hoping that we can beat this because that's a lot of freaking tea.
See that?
Okay, so, basically we at least have to put half of this inside of our mouth, but,
we had a little bit less until someone put more in our hands.
Okay, but anyways, we're gonna go. Jasmine, say.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, go. Is it good, Trin? Come on, Haley. You can spit it out when you want to.
I think I made tea in my mouth.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I think I made tea in my mouth.
I threw up. I did.
Alright.
Way to go, girls.
Yeah.
Do not try this. Please do not try this at home.
Hello.
Alright, well, that was the Challenge for Charity teabag challenge.
I kept it longer.
Jasmine Villapondo was our cameraman, and we challenge you.
I'm Haley.
It's okay, Haley. It's okay.